Hi, I'm Scotty Walker, owner at Shanks Heating Cooling right here in Kearney, Missouri. We love our community and are so grateful for you and all the support you have given us over the years. That's why we are excited to introduce Part 1 of our Climate of Caring program. We are asking for your help to find one deserving person in our community who could really use a free air conditioning unit. Whether they're facing health challenges, job loss, or other tough situations, we want to give back. To nominate someone, email us at givingback@shankskc.com with their name, where they live, and why you think they need assistance. Nominations will be open until July 31st, 2024. The chosen recipient will receive a reliable and efficient air conditioning unit from American Standard, complete with a 10-year warranty. Our expert team will install it using top-notch practices, tools, and equipment, ensuring the highest quality. Most importantly, it will be installed by people who truly care. This is just the beginning. If you're not selected this time, stay tuned for more opportunities in the future. We are committed to giving back to our community in many ways. Nominate someone special today and let's make a difference together. Visit us at shankshvacKC.com or call us to learn more. At Shanks Heating and Cooling, we care deeply about our community.